Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and today I'll show you how you can add widgets. So right now I'm going to add a widget for this screen. So you have to click and hold your home screen, click on the widgets below. Right now we can simply pick widget that you want to move to your screen. I will take probably the weather. So click here on it, and when you swipe on the right you can also get here the other theme of that widget. So I will take probably this one, and in this place you get also size of the widget. So let's do this one, the small one, 2x2. Click add, click OK, and in the weather widget you have to grant permission to the location, and in my case the location was set up automatically, so I don't even have to do anything. With these dots you can resize your widget. As you can see, when you make it, it will move icons automatically. When you click here, I mean outside, it will disappear. Right now our widget is turned on. When you click on it, the weather application will be open. When you click hold and then drag, you can smoothly move it for another screen. When you click on this small arrow, you are going to refresh data. And if you want to get rid of that, click hold and then click remove. And as you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.